Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some interesting updates coming from the folks at Unreal Engine, and it has to do with the MetaHuman, as they've now released a pack of 6 lighting presets. Actually 6 set of character lighting presets for you to take advantage of. And the beautiful thing is these things are not just over the top kind of stuff, they are basically inspired by a couple of things. So for those who are thinking about getting that sort of studio lighting, probably you want to get that Blade Runner sort of lighting for your MetaHuman character, of course you can. So for you to get this and play with it directly in Unreal Engine, you need to go over to the link in the description that can bring you right here where you can get the MetaHuman lighting preset. And right over here you'd notice you have 12 levels of lighting scenarios from MetaHuman Creator. Now the thing about this is it's not completely 12 different stuff in terms of 12 different lightings, but you get to play with 6 different set of stages, as one of them has to do with the RT while the other one is just for non-RT users. So in case you want to play with this, you want to bring in your MetaHuman, you want to light them this way, yes, you can easily do that. So all you need to do is just download this because it's free, and you need to fire it up. And once you open it, this is definitely what you'll be getting. Right here, you would notice that you have a window where you can set the quality of what you like to see, from medium to high to epic ray tracing. And over here, you can notice that we have the maps. Now within the maps, we have the non-ray tracing maps, which contains 6 different maps. And of course, we also have the ray tracing maps that contains an extra 6. Now for you to play with this, you need to just simply double click on any of them and it will load. And once it loads, you can drag in your MetaHuman characters right here, and you can go ahead and check out these other ones and see which of them best suits what you're going for. And for those who like to play with the MetaHuman Creator themselves, you can of course go over to the MetaHuman Creator on the web and start tweaking this thing to your liking. It makes sense to note that the MetaHuman Creator also contains way more than 6 different kind of lights that you can play with, and in this case you can use any of this light to style your model directly on the browser to get that result that you're going for. It also makes sense to note that if you're thinking about testing MetaHuman for Unreal Engine, you can simply go over to the Unreal Engine marketplace where you can download a fully rigged MetaHuman character that contains both facial and full body rig and start testing this. So we've already talked about lots of things about MetaHuman on the channel, and this is just a quick update for you guys. So this is more like it for those who like to take advantage of the MetaHuman Creator lighting tools that is now available for Unreal users and use it to style their MetaHuman characters or their personal scenes or do some very cool Unreal Engine photography. This is right here, and you can start taking advantage of this and creating some amazing looking masterpiece. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. A huge shout out to the folks at Epic Games for making this possible. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.